Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Testing 1 2 3. Well, hello there. Hello. It doesn't look. Well, yeah, it looks like I have audio. All right. Yeah, I have audio. Uh, well, hello. And last time when we were going to do this, I did not have audio. So tonight I have audio, I think. And so we're going to give it a try. Um, Here goes. Where is my controller? If I didn't put stuff where I couldn't find it, I wouldn't have any problems. Okay, there it is. Let's go. Let's take the show on the road. I believe I have audio. So here goes. This is the farm I built specially for streaming. And I spent all day Saturday doing this. And here we are. This is my farm, my streaming farm. I think we'll take the Mahindra, if I can find it. It's somewhere here. This is one of my greenhouses. We produce lettuce and tomatoes and strawberries here. Oh, I need to get rid of some stuff. Hold on. Let's see. I really love Farming Simulator 22. It is awesome. It has a few quirks, but I'll explain that when we get to it. Go down one more. And help window off. I don't really need any of these things. Interactive zones off. Triggers off. I don't know what field info does. I think we'll leave that. It doesn't seem to change anything if I don't save it. I could be wrong. I know if it crashes and I don't save it, I'm definitely out of luck. Here's my other greenhouse. We do lettuce, tomatoes, and strawberries here. Originally, I had 3 greenhouses on another farm that I started, and it turned out to be too much. The strawberries started piling up everywhere, and well, I couldn't keep up. And so it's the same thing with the beehives. Anyway, what an awesome view, eh? This is where I park the electric tractor to charge. And this is my garage for trucks. And I don't know where I parked the Mahindra. It's somewhere here. I'll find it. This is a tool shed that's just really for decoration, but it looks nice. It matches the house. And here are my chickens. I currently have 74 chickens. I started out with 10 and a rooster. This is my backyard. It backs onto the street. This is the street. That's the flour mill down there. And, well, this is one of my fields. And that over there is the sugar mill. Well, I'll show you the sugar mill. I own it. So let's show it to you. And there we go. There's the sugar mill. I think that's where the Mahindra is. That's part of why we were walking around, because it's somewhere here. I don't remember where I parked it. my favorite vehicle. I'm glad they brought it to FarmSim 22. I pre-ordered FarmSim 19 to get the nice fancy one, and then on pre-order day it had a bug and I never got it. I've sent them like several requests. They ignore me. That's the one thing with them. They really do not treat their customers very well. But they make a really nice product, and yeah. So there's my sugar mill, the Glenwood Sugar Mill. And it produces sugar, and the sugar goes to the chocolate factory. The animals, the cows, I still have yet to put them in. And hang on just a second, I've got to go silence something. This microphone probably won't pick that up, but I just need to silence it. There, done. Don't have any viewers anyway. That's all right. I only have like 13 subscribers, so one really can't expect a lot when one only has 13 subscribers. But then again, I haven't had a mic, so now I do. I bought this mic. Actually, it's a Plantronics headset. I bought it. I don't like stuff stuck in my ears, but I bought it. Oh, where are we going? I bought it so that in a pinch I needed it. Alrighty. This is the repair shop. Can't really go in there. It's kind of sad, but you can't go in there. It'd be nice if you could. This is my fuel tank. It's empty. Yes. This, I believe, is my liquid fertilizer. Yes. And this is my weight scale. I can show you that. It doesn't register my weight, probably because I weigh less than. It measures in metric tons. That's what that number is in metric tons. This is my solid fertilizer silo. I bet you any money it's empty too. Yep. And this, well, it's not empty. It has some other stuff in it. It has some stone. I wanted to grow grapes, so I moved the year along a day at a time. And I haven't figured out. I'm not sure how I feel about the grapes and the olives. I haven't done olives yet, but I've done the grapes, and they're a bit much. Okay, and this is Mr. 82 Studios Biol, and it is awesome. It saved when I first when Farming Simulator released, I pre-ordered it, and on release day I was on tour, so I couldn't play with it till I got home. It's almost 2 weeks after it was released, and that device made it so much fun. Because if I had to spend the time figuring out how to get all the products done and to do the whatever, it would have been. And besides, 82 Studio makes great. He's probably the best modder I've ever come across. I love his mods. Now, unfortunately, he well, can't say any. Well, anyway, see, I have lots of storage space for tractors and combines. And even more storage space for whatever I want to put in them. This guy also makes great mods, but I don't think there's anyone can hold a card to Mr. 82 Studio. He's awesome. He makes damn good mods. I love his trucks. I love the one that he doesn't make anymore. I have it on FS19, the TLX 9000, the cab over. I will not part with it. I really hope that, yeah, it's my favorite truck that he made. I love cab overs. And this is where you store all the other stuff that doesn't need a house. I get the feeling that if you want to paint stuff, if you don't take care of the paint deteriorates, and you get penalized for it somehow. I'm not sure. It's just I'm just guessing. Well, we need to find the Mahindra. I know. I think I know exactly where it is. No, doesn't make any sense. Oh, and I like this. This is what. Remember, I told you. There's one thing about Farming Simulator 22 I don't like. Okay. In reality, with each one of those axles can legally carry 17,000 pounds. Right, so when you drop that axle on the ground, you get another 17,000 pounds. Right? Now, I believe that, let's go up here. I believe that it's turned off at the moment because I wanted to fill up the milk and the sugar, milk and the cut beets, and I wasn't able to do it in 100 trips. No, it's on. See, trailer fill limit. When you turn the trailer fill limit on, it treats everything legally. But when you put that axle on the ground, that the fill limit on this trailer should go up by 17,000 pounds. Right? It does not. That's why there's a scale on the farm, because I wanted to check. So I did, and it doesn't. Now, where is my Mahindra? That's the chocolate factory over there, and there's the dealership. And I think that's pretty cool. This one's going to be short, by the way, because I'm really just showing you the farm. I'm not going to do any work. I've been up all day, and no, I don't know where it is. So let's tag around. That's not it. That's not it. That's it. Oh, I know where it is. Yeah. There's the Mahindra. Okay, so we've seen all the buildings. This field is mine also. It's withered. It had potatoes on it. Remember, I spent the time building the farm. Not and oh, it's not where I thought it was. To do that, that's my expense. Oops, I forgot that there's a fence there. Yes, I forgot there's a fence there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this field. Originally, I thought I'd put the cows here, but I have a better idea for the cows. Much better idea. See, this fence you can go through. Yeah, that's the grain mill. The grain mill. Go up there. BD grain. There's a fence here. I can't go that way. Why are we going up here? Because I want to show you my bakery. It's, oops, gotta be careful I don't get hit. Here's my bakery. How do you get in there? You get in there by going down this path. Right here. And I haven't really mastered landscaping. As you can tell, this is sort of all over the place. One of these days, I don't think this is bad for my first try at it. You just only come in and go out this gate. That guy. But okay. Let's see. What's this? This is another one of my fields, I think. Yep. It needs plowing. It's got grass. Oh yeah, I did this. I did this and sold the bales. It was not fun. I hate baling. And we're pretty much almost done. There's my wind turbine that we talked about earlier. It's somebody else's farm. Wonder what he's planted. Doesn't tell me. Interesting. Oh, it's got, these are all weeds. I'll make some money off him. Buy sprayer. Oh, it's all fenced in. Originally, as I said, I was going to put the cows here, but I'm going to put them where you originally spawned when you first start this map. That way, there'll be a little bit of work to get the milk down here. I have to figure out where I'm going to put the milk storage tank, because the chocolate factory is right down the road. Actually, it's right across the street. Anyway, this has been my farm tour, and it's really short and really sweet. I think it's sweet because I put a lot of love and work into this. I enjoyed doing it. It was great fun. And perhaps if y'all like this video enough, and I will use it for streaming exclusively. Then we can always have a Saturday stream. I shouldn't say always, because my work schedule is quite unpredictable. Anyway, that's it. And thank you all for watching. Those who will watch this later, I thank you too. And I must ask, I need 39 more new. No, 38. I needed 39. Now I only need 38. I need to get 50 subscribers so that I can stream from my phone when I'm on the road. And that won't happen unless I get 38 more new subscribers. 38 more subscribers. More and new don't go together. That's really bad English. Anyway, that's all she wrote, folks. And thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. All 13 of you will eventually see this, so I thank you too. Thank you. Good night.